Hello everyone. In this video, I want to demonstrate a self-managed on-prem local REG AI solution I just developed. This way, you don't have to entrust your confidential and private documents with a cloud provider. I have explained in my article how this local REG solution via API method works, and I will briefly repeat it here again. The program utilizes APIs to connect to AI service providers such as OpenAI, and also utilizes the REG solution to extract your document content and convert those content to vectors and save those vectors embeddings locally on your laptop. So you don't need to worry about your documents being exposed to external parties. And you also don't need to worry about AI model performance because we will be using the best models available on the market, such as GPT-4. I called this program ConfideAI, and you can download it on my website. If you register your interest here via the Google form, I will send you a free copy of the licenses for you to explore it until the end of the year, 2024. Note you do still need to have your own OpenAI API key to use this program. If you want me to manage everything, you can talk to me and I will send you a Chipmunk's API key file as well. Now let's download the program. Now we have the file downloaded. I will just install the Windows executable. So for now, we'll install it for myself only. I will go ahead and accept the agreement. Those are boilerplate agreements I have, and it doesn't obligate you to pay me or anything, so don't worry. And for now, let's save it on the desktop directly. So we will go ahead, save it directly on the desktop. The installation should be very quick and shouldn't take more than a minute or two. Before I launch the program, so let me go to the desktop. Now we have the ConfideAI installed. So I want to make sure right now I don't have any licenses. So I will go ahead and copy my license file into this folder and also my API key into this folder before I can use it. With this being done, we can go ahead start the program. Now we have the program started. For the AI program, you can tell the program which AI engine you want to use. GPT-4's performance is certainly way better than the GPT 3.5 Turbo, so we will pick the GPT-4. In addition, you can also adjust the creativity of the AI model itself. So in our use cases, the less creative the AI is, the more accurate it will respond to our question. So I actually will want to put it at 0 for now. If you really want the AI models to be creative, you can increase this number. Remember in the earlier video, we created a number of sample local files. Now we can pull these files into ConfideAI. Unlike the program, the chat with RTX program I showed you earlier, ConfideAI is programmed for enterprise business use. So you can create unlimited number of use cases for different types of documents you have. because in business has many types of documents. So you probably have way more than 10s or 20 use cases you want to create for yourself. So last time we have those 5 different type of documents corresponding to 5 different types of business use cases. So let's create them. First, I will just click the button, create a new use case. And the first use case I want to create is Constitution. I will drag the Constitution file in here and name it Constitution and submit the case. Next, I want to put my resume in and name it resume as my second use case. Third, maybe I will drag the appellate brief I have into this and submit the use case again. Every time I do this, what this does is the computer retrieves the content of those files, chunk those files in pieces, and then pull the API services from the service providers like OpenAI to convert those chunks into local vectors that saved locally only. So it's not saved online or anything. And I will show you where those vector stores are saved locally. Now let's pull in the ACH history, which is the CSV file. And next, I want to put in this Excel file, which is the revenue recognition history. So with this, all 5 use cases are created. Let me go ahead, close this and refresh the use case list. Now we have created those use cases. We can ask some questions. Let's first ask what kind of powers the president has under the Constitution. So I will choose Constitution as my use case. So the AI has the right context. And I will put my question here and click the Ask AI. And you can tell through the API and my local vector stores and my embeddings locally, the AI is able to generate the response for us and basically list several of the president's powers. Someone do me a favor to remind both presidential candidates over those powers, please. With this, you can clear the chat and also let's ask what we can do based on the resume. Let's ask AI and see what AI thinks about me. Wow, that's a long list. Well, I appreciate that. So, and this is one of the examples how AI can help you basically to summarize and also answer your questions based on your own local documents. So if you have attorney client privileged documents, but you also need help from AI to summarize those documents for you, or if you have some questions, you just need to ask AI to help you out. So this is one of the best solutions out there because you don't have to upload your documents to a third party on cloud or on the internet somewhere. So for now, as promised, I want to show you one more thing. If you look at OpenAI, ConfideAI's folder, and all of those vector stores are basically saved locally on your desktop. And I use chroma to create those vector stores. So, and you can tell those vector stores are all saved locally. And has noted in the notices on the software, AI provider will not be able to save your documents, nor can they read or analyze your documents by reverse engineering the vectors, as explained in my article previously. And again, the whole files don't leave your computer. The REG works because your files are chunked into pieces, and also those pieces of information um, are processed by the API without the ability for the AI provider to save your documents. And also, I do want to remind you, please limit your use of ConfideAI to legal and professional activities. So I definitely don't want any illegal activities to be associated with ConfideAI. And here, ConfideAI will explains what are the basic steps of the RG is. And feel free to explore it on your own and let me know what kind of feedback you may have. Thank you very much for watching this video.